Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to recover deleted projects in Capcut. Before we start to explain how to do this, it's important to note that you need to have an account on Capcut. Now on your mobile device, at the top left corner you can see your profile icon there, so we're going to tap on it, and there you can see I already have my profile logged in. If you do not have it, you're going to have the option to initiate that. So when you have an account on Capcut, you'll also have the space icon initiated here. You also need to make sure that you're using the latest version of Capcut. Now, Space is a cloud service where we can have our deleted files stored. Now, when we tap on it, we're going to have our project here in the space. As you can see at the top here, you can see the name of this space. And then Capcut also gives you free 5 GB of space in order to save your projects in the cloud. Now, when we go back, we're going to go to the top right corner where we have the settings icon, and then you're going to look for auto upload. Now, when you tap on it, you're having the option and the settings for auto uploading your project. Now, in order to be able to recover deleted project, you need to have auto upload toggled on. As you can see, we have this toggled on for projects. So you're going to have to select where you want to upload it to. Now in spaces, you can actually have up to 3 spaces with Capcut. So we have Strum space, which is a space where my projects will be. And then you have the option to select if you want to use only Wi-Fi and cellular, or if you want to use only Wi-Fi. So that's your choice to make. And then you have the size limit. We can tap on it. So it says file over 500 megabyte will not be uploaded to space. So we're going to leave it at 500 megabyte. You could change it if you want. And now these are the settings to have if you want to make sure that you're not losing your deleted projects forever. Now, currently at the top corner of these projects, the first and the second one, you can see the cloud icon, which shows that they're currently in the space. So for example, if I decide to delete the first one here by clicking on the 3 dots there and delete it, you can see that it's no more here in my main project section. However, when I tap on space and I want to recover it, I'm going to see it here. Now what I'll need to do to recover it is to tap on the 3 dots here just at the bottom, and then you have the option to download it again. So we're going to click on download, and it's currently in the download queue, and you can see the bar moving to completion. Now it's completely downloaded. We're going to go back to our Capcut, and there you have it again. After deletion, we now have been able to recover our deleted project in Capcut. So this is how to recover your deleted projects in Capcut.